Hello Yokota, and welcome to another dance challenge on the Yokota OT Weekly channel on YouTube. So here is a little piece of information. I attempted to upload a version of this video with the music and it was blocked by YouTube due to copyright. So we are going to do it without music. It'll be fine though. So when you are at home, what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the song Know Your Worth by Khaled, and you're going to put it to the refrain. So you can put it at the refrain at any point in the song. It's at about 20 seconds. That gives you a moment to get set up. Okay, with that being said, today's lesson is going to be a little bit more challenging than the last video. So you'll need to make sure that you have some water available, that you have enough space, a clear space, whether it's carpet or wood. You just need to be able to move around without bumping into yourself, or rather bumping yourself into other things or other friends, family, whatever. Make sure you're dressed comfortably, and same as last time, make sure you have fun socks. That is definitely a requirement. So, let's get to it. Alright, so this dance is fun and easy, and but you can make it harder. So I'm going to give you levels that you can choose which one you want to do. So it starts like this. The first move is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that, think about it in your head first. Pause for a moment. Think about what that looks like. Your knee is coming up and then coming down. Up and down. Good. Then you kind of add in a little bit of extra movement so your arms and your shoulder come into it. So when you add your shoulder, it's coming in a little bit towards it. When you're doing the movement, you're focusing more on the down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see how it went in, out. So you'll do 4 on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'll do a rainbow up and over your head. So if you remember from last time, you're going to go up and over, just like that. You're just turning towards the left, turning towards the right, turning towards the left again. Your hands are going up and over, kind of like a dab, but not a dab. Okay, you can add in a challenge here if you'd like, where you can do a step touch kind of move. So when you go up, over, you could switch your feet. 2, 3. And when you end the third one, you go right into the same move on your right side, but you'll skip one. So because of the way that the music sits, you'll have to hear that as you do it at home. On that third one, you're going 2, 3, 4. So it's the same as on the left. Your knees into your chest, your shoulders coming in. It's same arm and leg, and your focus is on down, 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 down. So you do 4, rainbow, 3. Well, it's really like 2, 3, 4, and this rainbow's on 1. Then you do 3 more rainbows going the other way. So you do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you stop right there. Then we're going to get ready to do a move called the cabbage patch, which your parents may or may not know. You can ask them. They might have fun with it. So, cabbage patch looks like this. So what happens is your feet are just going side to side, and your hips lift. Lift, lift, lift. Kind of like a weird march. Then your body is going opposite. You're making like a circle. If you imagine there was a piece of chalk on the top of your head, you're making a circle with your head. So when you put that together, and with your arms, you're making a circle, and you're keeping everything as if there's an imaginary table below you. You don't want to go lower. So you're going here and here. So you feel that circle, your legs are marching. It's a little bit complicated. We'll try that one more time. Circle, circle. So we do 4, then you're going to stop and go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. So at that point, you're going to throw your hands down and back. This is a chance to up level or keep it as it is. Your hands are going to go back, then you're going to bring your hands up to your head. Or you could bring them back and bring them in towards you, bringing them down and back up. So they make a circle. So back either way, bring it in and up. So you're framing your head. And then the next move, you're looking right and left towards your hands. Another chance to do one level or the other, depending on what you want to do. So one level would be looking towards your hands, and you move your body with it. So your body is just moving left and right. Your head starts to move towards your hands. There we go. And the up level is to add your feet. So your feet and your head will go the same way, that way. So your toes are both pointing over towards the right. Your left heel lifts up. Your right heel stays down. And you come back. Your feet both drop. You turn the other way. Drop. And that's 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do your 4 of those. Then you step and turn. So it's 1, 2. So that you face the back. So your feet are 1, 2. But you're just moving in a circle. So your left foot doesn't really move. You just shift your weight a little bit. So it's in and out, in and out. Then your hands kind of just go with it, in and out, in and out. So your hands are going, and you can add a little bit of upper body, and kind of put it all together. 1 and 2, and then you bring your hand back up. You do the same move, 2, 3, 4, and then you do front and front. Then what happens next, and don't worry, we'll review this all again. Front and front. You're going to stop. You're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. So it's going to take your right hand going up and over your head. That's slow. Slow, like you're moving in slow motion. Quick, quick, quick. Okay? Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. And then you're going to end with your arms kind of crossed on you. Quick, quick, quick. Then you're going to take your right hand, point the number 1, let your left hand drop. Then you're going to bring your hands left, right, give it a heart. And you could do that anywhere. You could do whatever you want. Just put a heart somewhere. And then you're going to just bring your hands down. So down and to your hips. And you're going to look up kind of like Wonder Woman, Captain America, whoever. So let's review that all from the top. See if we can put it together. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Cabbage patch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Throw your hands back and bring them up to your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing. Swing. Once you're at the front, slow, slow, quick, quick, quick first. And then you're going to go left, right. Give me a heart wherever you want it. Maybe you look at it. And then you're going to bring your hands down, up. All right. Find that spot in the music, try it, and let me see your videos. Until next time.